Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate the beta of a stock using Excel. So in this case, I want to calculate the beta of Tesla stock. To do this, we're going to need some past data on both Tesla as well as an index. So in my case, I'm going to get data on the index of the S&P 500, which is just 500 of the largest companies in the US. So to get this data, we're going to have to download it from somewhere, and one of the best places to do that is Yahoo Finance. You can just search up the stock. So in this case I have Tesla, go to historic data, and then we can set our time period or our dates. So in this case I'm filming this video on the 24th of Sep 2023, and this goes from 2022 to 2023, so 1 year. And we want historic prices, and we can download it daily, weekly, or monthly. So say I want weekly, and then we just go weekly, hit apply, and then you can download it. And then you do the same for your index. And of course you will follow the same process. So go historic data, and then just make sure your frequency is also on weekly and your time period is the same. Once you have downloaded both of those datas, import them into Excel. So as you can see, that is this column here, your adjusted closing price, which just means that it takes into account things such as dividends. So I'll highlight that because this is the important column that we are dealing with. Same for Tesla. So let's take these across and put them on the same worksheet so we can do some calculations. So here we have S&P, and we'll put Tesla right next to it. So I'll go to Tesla, copy and paste that data over, and now we have all that data. And if we go down, we can see they end in the same row, which is good. That means that we have downloaded and imported the data correctly. Now we are going to need to calculate some returns from this data. So we want the returns from the S&P as well as the returns from Tesla. So to get these returns, we can simply go equals, go the newer week divided by the original week, and hit enter, and we'll continue that process along. And we want to do that same process over here. So if we just highlight that across, we can see it's doing it over here as well. And now we can just double click, and that will take it all the way down. As you can see, it's still doing that calculation. So I don't know why that's in percent. Let's just go general. There we go. And the final step to get your beta of Tesla. So we have our beta for Tesla, and we'll put the value here, is just to go equals slope, and then we have our known y's. Your known y's is gonna be your individual stock, so in our case Tesla. So highlight all the returns except for the very bottom one, don't get that 0, and then comma your known x's, which is all of your returns for your index, so in our case the S&P. Other than the 0 at the bottom, close off the bracket, hit enter, and don't know why that's a currency, but our beta, we can make that to 4 decimals, is 1.9397. So that's how you calculate the beta of a stock. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.